Then since over 5 years, this man has been having sex with me through the back. And he has been the one also telling his family, friends, that I cannot be able to give birth, that I'm buried.
This is your boy Dorothy Awilo. You can check me on the social media platform. Type Dorothy Awilo, like, share, comment, follow, subscribe. Remember, when preparation meets opportunity, the result always be successful. Quand l'opportunité raconte la préparation, le résultat donne toujours le succès. Today is a sad one. I'm not gonna lie, because since last 3 weeks now, I've been down because of this matter. So this lady here called me, say the she and her husband they wed 5 years ago. Um, After the big collaborate wedding and something starts happen, she don't know what to do. This is the reason why she contacts me. I say, me myself when I hear the matter, I'm confused. I don't know what to say. So that's the reason why I carry the matter come social media. You fans, I beg, men are gonna comment how we want to help this lady to come out from this issue here. But she say, may we add, may we hide her ID. You understand? So let's hear from the lady mouth. Let she say, narrate everything will happen after the wedding. Hello?
Hi.
Okay, you come in and you will be disturbed like you want to see me.
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell the world what will happen after the big collaborates of your wedding? What will happen? Can you tell the world?
Okay. First, my name is Mrs. Blessing Okafor from Enugu State. I've been married for 5 years. So after the wedding with my husband, after everything, then since over 5 years, this man has been having sex with me through the back. And he has been the one also telling his family, friends, that I cannot be able to give birth, that I'm buried. So now I'm tired about it. And I haven't tell my family, not none my sisters or my parents or any of my friends about it. Even his family has been dragging me up and down like, but I don't want to open up to them that this is what has been going on, that their son have never have sex with me through where I'm a woman. It's only through the back. So now I'm tired. I'm really tired. That's why I want to bring it out. I want people opinion. Should I quit the marriage? Should I tell the parents? Should I tell the family? I don't know. I really don't know what to do now because I'm confused. So that is why I called it, because I want people to help me and advise me on what to do. Thank you.
Hmm. This matter I get has to be, I swear, is behind me. Like I don't even know what to say. After 5 years, 5 years they have been together. See, the man, he used to have sex, so, but not through the front, like where but they always go the back. And the painful part is going around to tell his family member that the lady is barren. And meanwhile, she cannot produce kids if you keep have sex with her through back. Like this matter, I don't even know what to say. I pray God should help us in this issue here. Viewers, your comment is very necessary, very important on this case. Um, is not fake. You can see the lady here is real issue here. We need your advice. She needs your advice. How do you want her to do? But let me ask you something. Do you really love this man?
Yeah. That's
If
why that's why I haven't lived since then, and that is why I haven't even tell anybody like family, because thinking that he will change. But going around and telling people that I cannot give birth, that is what is even giving me sleepless nights. So I'm kind of getting tired. I'm kind of, because I have given him opportunity enough to change, and it's even painful having excess with me through the back. It's painful, but because of the love I have for him, I've been enduring it. But I think now I'm losing my mind.
hmm, like if this man really change, you can change your mind and be your wife, Abby.
Of course.
But I don't understand why man we choose, instead of you to go straight, like you decide like it's only the back that you want to enjoy. I don't understand. Good 5 years. Please. We should help this lady here. You understand? We should help this lady here. Anyhow you want this matter to go, so that we can change this man mind. I would like to go through your comments, and we need the advice so that we can change this man mindset. Okay, I want to ask you a question. Is every information that you give us that provide the good solution here? You understand? I don't want you to lie about anything. You understand? If we say we want to invite this man behind the camera and talk to her and talk to him, will you agree to give us his information, his number, so that we can call and talk to him?
Yeah.
Okay, when all this issue they go, do you one day call him as your husband and wife and tell him that I no really like this thing? You tell him.
Actually, he don't allow me to. He says I'm his wife, so whatever he wants, he will do with me.
Ha, with this marriage issue is not that, um like, why you say like when you marry with somebody, it's not your house girl. You understand that whatever you say is final. You understand? Okay, guys, the world, please share this video and let other people see this video, so that we can get to the root of this uh madam, this lady issue, so that we can settle everything and they can be husband and wife and they can start have kids. You understand? Marriage for 5 years, no issue, and it's not the lady fault, it's the man fault. And the man keeping tell people around that she's married, meanwhile she's not perform his duty as a husband. Please share this video. Thank you.